So let's begin shuffling. I'm going to select 2 cards randomly from this deck, which contains special messages from your guardian angels, and the deck that I'm using, it's this one right here. Okay, so what's appealing to me is this blue color, Angel of Communication, and the other one maybe this one, Angel of Intelligence. All right, let's see what the messages are for you. The Angel of Communication and the Angel of Intelligence. Oops, this just fell off. Okay. So the Angel of Communication and the Angel of Intelligence. Maybe in your life currently, Cancerians, you are finding it difficult to communicate to somebody. Maybe in your relationships, maybe in your work life. So let's see what the angels have to tell you. Now the Angel of Communication is asking you, are you receiving intuitive messages? So some of you might be receiving intuitive messages. Now how do you know that these are intuitive messages? You get you get messages by either in the form of dreaming, when you dream of something, when you know that you've seen something in the dream and it actually happens in reality, or some part of it happens in reality. That means that there has to be a link between the two. So these are the messages that are trying to tell you something. Or if you see, like I've already mentioned it in my previous videos also, sometimes that you see repeated numbers, you see numbers like 111 or 222, then you please go and Google what these messages mean and what is the spiritual meaning behind it. Maybe the angels are trying to tell you something. And here also, in case you get that intuition that something is wrong or something is right, then please believe your intuition, because right now maybe you're getting the messages from your angels. Do you wish to be more intuitive? And in case you are not very intuitive around this time, maybe you usually are, or in case you're not at all intuitive and you want to become more intuitive, this is what the angel has to say. It's saying, quiet your mind. Accept communication from angels and spirit guides. True communication includes listening, speaking, and observing. Notice messages from nature and your surroundings. So of course, like I've already mentioned, notice these messages and communication in your surroundings. If you're getting messages outside through some weather, if you wished for a weather and it happened, you wished for upon rain and it happened, no, that means that you are on the right frequency and that you can make your wishes come true. So notice all the little things that are happening around you. And in case you're not able to be as intuitive and maybe some of you are waiting for a sign and you're not getting that sign, so for that the angel is asking you to quiet your mind. Okay, and it says that communication doesn't only mean that you're talking, you also have to listen to what the other person is saying. You also have to observe your environment. That's called proper communication. Okay, so let's see what the Angel of Intelligence has to say. Have you been unable to focus on complex tasks? Cancerians, you have to ask this question. Is it like really difficult? Maybe you pick up something to do and you're not able to finish that, and you're like, I don't know what's happening, I'm just not able to concentrate, something like that. It's saying you are an intelligent being. You can lovingly accomplish whatever you put your mind to. Develop your inner genius. Educate yourself in areas you feel your knowledge may be lacking. So I feel that concentration, if you think you're lacking concentration, then Google how to concentrate more, in which direction that you should study in, or just I think for some people it's hard to read or hard to just sit with a book or whatever. So that's how the geniuses say that you start with a habit of sitting with the book for 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, gradually increase it. So that will gradually increase your habit of being with the book. For example, I'm just giving you an example. If there's something else that is going on in your life and it's difficult for you to do, then this is what the message from the guardian angel is, that educate yourself in whatever areas you think you're lacking. Now these 2 cards also comes with a positive affirmation that you can start speaking today until the full moon to help better give you better clarity to help you become more communicative, to help you become more intuitive, and also to help you able to focus on the task at hand, which is giving you a problem. So the angel of intelligence is giving you a positive affirmation. Please start speaking it today itself. It says, I am an intelligent being with the ability to focus on complex tasks and figure them out. I enjoy researching and learning new things. I am hungry to gain knowledge. I am smart enough to realize that I can always discover new information. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Let's see what the angel of communication has to say. The positive affirmation is, I send and receive messages with ease and grace. Guidance and inspiration from my angels and other spirit guides come to me moment by moment. I interpret the messages I receive and apply them to my life with wisdom. So it's beautiful. So in case these spiritual messages are being blocked from you because of something that you are doing, you can start saying these positive affirmation. In case you are facing problem in doing the complex tasks, you can speak these positive affirmation, and trust me, Cancerians, this will help you a great deal. Alright, let me know how did you like your reading. Do these affirmations, and you can always give me a feedback in your comments and like section. So this was your reading, and you guys take care. I will see you soon. Bye bye.